So, today I am going to go step by step on how you make, drum roll please, you guessed it, noodles. I'm not actually going to make them, but I'm going to demonstrate. Step number 1, you want to get a pot, something like this should work. And you want step 2, fill it up with water. I only put a little bit of water in here because I'm not making the noodles, but you want to put water in the pot. Put it on the stove. Oh, now done. Most important part, of course, the noodles. So me personally, I crunch my noodles up, but you can do however you want to do it. What might I say? Chicken noodles are the only noodles that work. Anyways, so I'm gonna open these up, put them in the water, turn your eye on, and then leave it there until the water boils. And we wait. So when it's finished, you want to pour the noodles in the bowl. And you want to take the packet of seasoning and mix it up. Season it with everything you want to season it with. And you're done. Enjoy.